two more on this page, and we have time. So 19 says, find the area of each regular polygon. Remember that that word regular is key. It's not just telling us that it's a typical polygon or the type of polygon you always see. Regular means, by definition, that all of the sides have the same length and that each angle has the same measure. Okay, that's what regular polygon means. Round your answer to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, so to find the area of a regular polygon, the idea that we're going to use is that we break this thing into multiple triangles. So we have 5 congruent triangles in this polygon now. I'm going to find the area of this bottom triangle, and it's going to be the same as the area of all of the others. So once I know this area, I can multiply it by 5, and I have the area of the whole polygon. So the base in this case is 24.7. I got that because they said this side was 24.7, and because it's regular, all the sides are 24.7. And they told us that the height is 17. So remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. That gives us the area of one triangle, but we want all 5, so I can just take this and multiply by 5 as well. It's a bunch of calculator work, but I can do it. So we're going to take 1/2 times 24.7 times 17 times 15, and I got 3,149.25. Okay, on my key I got 1,049.8. So I'm wondering what I did differently between the two. 24 and 7, 17, 15. Okay, I think this is my answer, but I'm going to double check all of my information. The last time I did 24.7 times 17 divided by 2. That time it gives me that. What am I doing differently? I should be getting the same answer every time. Let me go ahead and just find the area of one triangle divided by 2, 209.95, and then I'm going to multiply that by 5, and I get 1,049.75, or rounding that to 8. What is happening if I do this? Oh, that time I got the same answer, 1,049.8. So I'm not sure what I typed wrong up before, but glad that I double checked. And again, we don't know what units they use, so we can just say square units, whatever they had. Okay, one more. Find the area of each figure, round your answer to the nearest tenth. They did not give us the height here, but they did give us a side length, which is 2 miles. So because they said up above that it was a regular polygon, then we know that this also has each side being 2 miles. Now, if you have an isosceles triangle, 2 sides the same, and you drop an altitude, that cuts the base exactly in half. Because this was a regular polygon, we know that each angle is 60 degrees. We could take 180 divided by 3, and we get 60. So over here, we've built a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now, I have 2 sides of the right triangle. I can use Pythagorean theorem's theorem to find the third side, or I can use my 30, 60, 90 knowledge, knowing that the short leg is half of the hypotenuse, and the long leg is the short leg times root 3. So the long leg is 1 root 3, or just root 3. Okay, to find the area of a triangle, remember that we take the base, this whole thing is 2, times the height, which is root 3, times 1/2, or divided by 2. These 2's can cancel out, so our answer is going to be root 3. They're asking us to round that to the nearest tenth, so I'm going to take the square root of 3. I typed in the wrong thing. Square root of 3. 1.73 stuff, so I'm going to go 1.7 square miles. All right, we'll pause there.